Welcome to English Global Voice. Today's story is about Jenny and Mike, two friends who decide to speak only English for one whole day. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can hear every word and practice together. Let's listen to their English day and see how they learn through real conversation.
Hey, Mike.
Hey, what's up?
I was thinking, I really want to speak English fluently someday.
That's great. Then let's speak only English today.
Only English all day?
Yep, no Korean, just English. That sounds difficult. Maybe, but that's how you get fluent. What if I make mistakes? Make 'em. Mistakes mean you're learning. Okay, then let's do it. English only. That's the spirit. Let's go. I woke up early today. Nice. What time? Around 6:30. Wow, that's early. What did you do first? I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and made coffee.
Good morning, energy.
Yeah, I need coffee to start my day.
Same here. I can't function without coffee.
You said function. What does that mean?
It means to work or to operate, like a machine.
Oh, so like I can't function without coffee means I can't work without coffee.
Exactly. By the way, did you sleep well last night?
Pretty well. I went to bed around 11.
That's good. Sleep is really important for language learning, you know?
Really? Why?
Because your brain processes everything you learned during the day while you sleep.
Oh, so if I study English before bed, I'll remember it better.
Exactly. Your brain is like, organizing files while you sleep.
That's interesting. I'll try that tonight.
So, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs and toast. Simple, but good. Wait, I thought you liked Japanese food.
I do. I like rice and miso soup too, but this morning I wanted something quick.
Classic Japanese breakfast.
Yeah, my grandma always says, you can't think well on an empty stomach.
Smart grandma.
She's also funny. She tries to speak English sometimes.
Really? That's cute.
Yeah, she says things like, nice to meet you, to the TV.
That's adorable. She's practicing too. So, what's your goal for your English?
Wait, my English? You mean your English?
Oh, right. I mean, my English goal.
See, that's a natural mistake. Don't worry about it.
I want to talk naturally, like we're doing now.
That's a perfect goal.
Sometimes I translate in my head before I speak.
Yeah, everyone does that at first, but try to think in English little by little.
That sounds hard.
Start simple, like, it's hot. I'm hungry. That's cute.
Okay, I'll try that. Should I say them out loud?
Yes, even when you're alone. Talk to yourself.
Won't people think I'm crazy?
Let's grab a coffee.
Again, you just had one.
True, but you can never have too much coffee.
Is that healthy, though?
Probably not, but it makes me happy.
Okay, one more cup. But this is your last one today.
Deal? Maybe.
You're impossible.